Ever wondered what's actually happening inside your body when you pee? It feels simple, right? You feel the urge, you go, you feel relief. But behind that simple act is a complex and fascinating biological process. Today, we're diving deep into the science of what happens inside a woman's body during urination. Let's start with the star of the show, the bladder. Think of it as a muscular, stretchy bag located in your pelvis. Its main job is to store urine produced by your kidneys. As your kidneys filter waste from your blood, they create urine, which trickles down to tubes called ureters and into your bladder, bit by bit, all day long. An adult bladder can comfortably hold about 2 cups of urine. As it fills, the bladder wall, which is made of a special muscle called the detrusor muscle, starts to stretch. This stretching activates tiny nerve receptors in the bladder wall. These receptors send a message up your spinal cord to your brain saying, "Hey, things are getting a little full down here." This is the moment you first feel the need to pee. Initially, it's just a gentle nudge, a subtle awareness. Your brain, specifically the prefrontal cortex, which is in charge of decision-making, assesses the situation. It asks, is now a good time to go? If you're in a meeting or driving, your brain sends a signal back down, telling the bladder to hold on. It does this by keeping a crucial muscle, the external urethral sphincter, tightly closed. This sphincter is a ring of muscle at the base of your bladder that acts like a tap, and thankfully, you have voluntary control over it. But as the bladder continues to fill, the signals to your brain become more frequent and more urgent. That gentle nudge turns into a pressing need. The stretching becomes more intense, and the messages get louder and louder until your brain decides, okay, it's time to find a bathroom now. Once you're sitting comfortably on the toilet, your brain gives the green light. It sends a signal to relax the pelvic floor muscles and, most importantly, to relax that external urethral sphincter. The tap is now open. Simultaneously, the brain tells the detrusor muscle the muscular wall of the bladder to contract. This coordinated action is the key. The bladder squeezes down, increasing the pressure inside, while the exit is wide open. This pressure difference powerfully pushes the urine out of the bladder, down a short tube called the urethra, and out of your body. In women, the urethra is relatively short, about 1.5 inches long, which is one reason why bladder infections can be more common. The flow continues until the bladder is nearly empty. As it empties, the stretching of the bladder wall reduces the nerve receptors. Stop sending those urgent signals to your brain. Once the flow stops, the detrusor muscle relaxes and the urethral sphincter tightens up again, closing the tap until the whole process begins again. And it's a cycle that repeats itself several times a day, every day of your life. So, the next time you feel that urge to go, remember the incredible teamwork happening inside you. It's a perfectly choreographed dance between your kidneys, bladder, muscles, nerves, and brain, all working together to keep your body healthy and balanced. It's not just a simple release, it's a sophisticated system that's truly amazing. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, Give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into how our amazing bodies work. See you next time.